close. You're doing, you know, watermelon's only 4 hits, so it's like watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Yeah, just like we were doing before.
Mm.
Do you want me to play it for you once so you know what it sounds like?
Oh.
Here you go, I'll use my stick. Okay, and if you want to,
Mm.
I don't know if you want to come over and read along while I'm playing.
Watching.
I'll be a bouncing ball.
Yeah, you can do that. So I'm going to start here, and we're going to go here, and then we're going to go here, okay? So 1 and 2 and ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. 2, 3, 4. Second measure, 2, 3, 4. Third measure, 2, 3, 4. Watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Think you can do that?